All right, let's do this. So we see at the top right here, it says 2x plus 4 equals -2. So I'm going to model this using my algebra tiles. I have 2x plus 4, and as you can see under where I'm dragging it, you can see where it's writing it. Plus 4 equals -2. Voila. Now it wants us so that the x is left with only 0 pairs. So we're going to create 0 pairs on this side. So for every positive one, I need a negative one. But remember, I need to do that to the right also. If I do it to the left, it has to be done to the right. See, it's also saying that it's less than. Now it is equal. Awesome. Now step 3 says simplify. Well, let's make those 0 pairs happen. Incredible. Amazing. Wonderful. Voila. Now we have 2x equals -6. So you're probably already working on this in your head, but we need to divide the screen. So we need to separate our x's, and if you look over here, this is our division symbol, and we need equal groups. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So correct, x equals -3. And if I have 2 groups of -3, I should have -6, so that's why this works. All right, so you will do several of these. You will hit new, and it will create a new one. Good luck.